Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
How to prevent and treat anemia in pregnancy. Iron deficiency anemia is common in pregnant women. Here's what you need to know about its symptoms, treatment, and prevention. Feeling sluggish and weak. If you're so drained that you often have trouble tending to your daily life, iron deficiency anemia may be to blame. It occurs when you either have fewer red blood cells than is normal or your red blood cells don't contain enough hemoglobin, the iron-rich protein that carries oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body. Without enough, it's harder to send oxygen throughout your body. But not to worry. Pregnancy-induced anemia is common, especially in the second and third trimesters, with a few minor nutritional adjustments and potentially a supplement. You can still have a healthy pregnancy. What causes anemia during pregnancy? Here's the rundown on why anemia makes you feel run down. When you're pregnant, the volume of blood in your body increases by as much as 50% to support both you and your growing baby. This, in turn, decreases your blood's hemoglobin concentration. Since your body needs iron to make hemoglobin, without sufficient iron stores, red blood cell production slows, along with their energy boosting oxygen supply. While in most cases anemia is caused by not having enough iron in your diet before or during your pregnancy, less commonly it could be caused by a vitamin deficiency, B12 or folic acid, blood loss, an underlying condition like kidney disease, an immune disorder or sickle cell anemia, which is why it's so important to see your doctor to get to the bottom of the problem. Symptoms of anemia during pregnancy. Early on, you may mistake symptoms of anemia for normal symptoms of pregnancy. Some pregnant women are completely unaware they are anemic until it's revealed in a blood test. But as the condition progresses, you may experience excessive tiredness, weakness, headaches, dizziness, shortness of breath, a rapid or irregular heartbeat, numbness or a cold feeling in your hands and feet, a low body temperature, pale skin, chest pain, irritability. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms and are concerned it might be anemia, be sure to let your doctor know. How anemia is diagnosed. Your practitioner will perform a complete blood count (CBC), which tabulates the number of various cells that make up your blood. If your red blood cell count is low, your doctor will diagnose you with anemia and may give you other blood tests to figure out the type of anemia you have. The CDC test is standard early in your pregnancy, usually at your first prenatal appointment as part of your initial pregnancy blood work, and again later in your pregnancy. Risk of anemia during pregnancy. Even if you have been anemic throughout your pregnancy, it's extremely rare for a baby to have an iron deficiency too. The fetus takes all the iron he or she needs to thrive first. However, if anemia is left untreated, it can become severe, causing poor fetal growth, preterm birth or low birth weight, as well as increasing your risk of needing a blood transfusion during delivery or having postpartum depression. But since your practitioner checks early in your pregnancy and then checks again during the second or third trimester, as long as you keep up with your prenatal care, she'll detect and effectively treat anemia before it causes a big problem. How to treat anemia? In most cases, the treatment for pregnancy-induced anemia is simple: more iron. Your healthcare provider may prescribe a daily iron supplement to take in addition to your prenatal vitamin. Take both, only with your doc's okay, and never take the prenatal and iron supplement at the same time, to ensure that you are getting all your daily nutrients. For maximum results, take them with a glass of orange juice, but avoid the calcium fortified kind. Vitamin C helps boost iron absorption, but calcium can decrease it. Or prune juice, which also helps with the inevitable constipation extra iron brings with it. Keep in mind that timing is important. for 1 hour before you take your iron supplement and 2 hours after, avoiding milk, cheese, yogurts, eggs, spinach, whole grains, coffee, and tea, since they can hinder iron absorption. And in addition to taking your supplements, be sure your diet includes plenty of iron-rich foods, including poultry, leafy greens, lentils, beans, and beef. Be aware too that iron supplements can make nausea worse. If this is the case for you, try the standard treatments for morning sickness, including eating smaller, more frequent meals, 6 snack-size meals instead of 3 big ones, and drinking plenty of water. You may also want to try taking your iron supplement right before bed, since you may be less likely to notice nausea when you're asleep. Since treatment depends on the cause, it's important to talk with your doctor about your particular needs. In the rare case your anemia is due to a vitamin deficiency or illness, you may require B12 or folic acid supplements or treatment of the underlying disease. How to prevent anemia when you are expecting? While not all cases of anemia are preventable, getting enough iron in your diet goes a long way in helping you to avoid the condition. Before you are pregnant, that means consuming 18 mg of iron per day. Once you do conceive, you should aim for 27 mg. While prenatal vitamin covers your bases along with your requirements for other important nutrients like folic acid and vitamin B12, you should also try to eat a variety of healthy foods that are high in iron. These include lean beef 2 mg in 3 oz, liver 5 mg in 3 oz of beef liver, beans and legumes 4 mg in half cup of white beans, 3 mg in half cup of lentils, green leafy vegetables 6 mg in 1 cup cooked spinach, seeds and nuts 2 mg in 1 oz or 18 cashews, dark chocolate 7 mg in 3 oz, iron fortified cereal 18 per serving, baked potato 2 mg for a medium spud. Cooking in a cast iron cookware may also help give your iron intake a little boost, since foods absorb some of the iron from the pan. Also, note that animal-based iron is absorbed by the body better than plant-based iron. Though anemia during pregnancy can be scary, rest assured it's also easily diagnosed and treated. So keep in mind these tips during your pregnancy to avoid and prevent anemia. Also, always take a good consult from your practitioner. Thank you for watching the video.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.